Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial we are going to learn how to change font size in Outlook email. Okay, so I'm going to show you three solutions. I'm going to give you three solutions that you can use as per your problems or as per your requirements. So let's start with the video. So before you start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, don't forget to comments below. So let me open my LinkedIn Outlook email here. And first, some people getting the problem that if they open any email, okay, just or they if trying to compose a new email here, and if they set the by default or perfect font size here, let it first. Okay, so I just set the 24, which is perfect size, but you can see it's look like very big, but perfect size was I think 14. Okay, it was I think 11. Okay, so let me show. So 11 size is very perfect, but if I take it 12, so it is also very perfect now. But if you are trying to view or type any content that it look like very small, so how you can do this, how you can solve this problem, I'll show in this video tutorial. So let's, so here guys, you have to go in the option called zoom. So find the zoom option here. So let me show where it is. Okay, in text format, go to the text format, go to the zoom, and please check this is zoom into 100%. Okay, if it is in cent, if I set the 8 cent, so you can see it is very small font here. So you have to make it 100%, zoom to 100%, just click on OK. So it will be view and as default font size. Okay, so this is the first solution. Second solution, okay, so you can change font size. If you want to change the manual size, just select the font and you can change the font size from here. Okay, so this is second option you can use. And now if you want to set the default font size in email, so you can do this. I'll show you how. Go to the files here and go to the option, and here just come to the mail. Under the mail you will have to find out the stationery and fonts. Just click on it, and here you can see you can change the themes. And now you can see the new email message for font for new email message, or font for replying and forwarding message. You can choose the different font or size for both, for forwarding and reply, for new message also. So just go to the new message, and here you can see for new message you can change the font, you can change the font style, and you can also change the font size. So it will be your default font size, and just click on OK. And for forwarding and new message also you can change the default font size and just click OK. Okay, it will be applied. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.